Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the B75 Pro Max. It's a 75% layout keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard and it has a volume knob and a screen right here, which I'm going to show you in a second once we take it out of the box. But basically this is how the box looks like. On the front right here we have the keyboard. This is how it looks. I really like the light blue, gray and white contrast between the keycaps. I think it looks really good. And on the back right here we have some info. So B75 Pro Max keyboard, brand YUNZII, and the battery is 4000 mAh. So basically I think it's a 3-mode connection keyboard, which means it's Bluetooth, wired and wireless with a dongle. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we have. As you can see, we have a couple of accessories. So let's go ahead and get through them one by one. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here, we have a quick start guide in different languages. Basically, this is a guide to help you get quickly set up. Tells you about the screen, how to connect it, what the FN keys do, because obviously you're missing some keys, so you might have some extra commands. You can check, for example, right here, battery level, FN plus right control to check the keyboard battery level. 1 to 0 lights up to show you the power ratio, which I think is pretty cool. So basically the key is from 1 to 0. We also have a more detailed guide right here, which tells you more stuff in depth about the keyboard. Also tells you about the warranty and how to customize the keyboard with VIA. I suggest you give this both a read. It will help you understand what the keyboard can do and how to use it at its max potential. They have also included some gray keycaps right here. We have home, command, insert, print screen. We have quite a few keycaps if you want to use it on a Mac, or if you want to add extra keys and customize each key to do something else. Because this is a 75% layout, as I said, you might be missing some keys, but they included that, and luckily this keyboard is customizable, so you can make it however you desire. They included 2 spare switches. These are the same switches we find in the keyboard. I think they have more switches options on their website. We have a keycap and a switch puller. Because everything is hot swappable, you can customize the keycaps, you can customize the switches with whatever you desire, as long as they're compatible. I think these ones are 5-pin. Let's see if the camera will focus on the switch. It's too shiny. Yeah, it's a 5-pin switch. So if you want to customize it, make sure your switches are 5-pin or compatible. You will find everything in the manual as well. We have a USB type A to USB type C cable, which has a nice length to it. You can use it to charge the keyboard or to use the keyboard in wire mode. They included that, so that's really nice. And now we have the keyboard itself. It comes with a YUNZII branded dust cover, which is pretty nice. After you finish gaming, just place it on your keyboard. Dust won't get on it overnight. Super handy. And this is how the keyboard looks. Let's have a look on the back for now. On the back we have some height adjustment stands. We have 3 levels, so basically you can have it flat, you can have it mid, or you can have it high, just like so. Let's pull them down. We have some rubber pads right here. This is to stabilize the keyboard on any surface. Make sure it doesn't slide away, so once you place it, it just won't go anywhere. they do a pretty good job even if you use a mouse pad. And in terms of connection and ports, if we have a look right here, we have the USB Type-C port, which again I said it's used for charging or to connect the keyboard in wire mode. We have a switch right here, so you can switch between Bluetooth, wired, which is the mode it's in right now, and wireless. And we have the 2.5 gigahertz wireless adapter. Let me see if I can pull it out with one hand. There you go. Basically, this will plug in into any available USB Type-A port on your device, that being a laptop or a PC or your Mac, and switch it to wireless connection right here, and the keyboard should work straight away. That's what we are going to test. And right here we have the keyboard. As you can see, 75% layout. We have the screen right here. We have the volume knob, which is made out of metal. And it feels pretty nice. We have all the F keys from F1 to F12, and the keyboard feels and sounds absolutely amazing, but we will go ahead and put it to the test. So pretty much that's it with what's in the box. Let's go ahead now and test the keyboard. We're going to connect it to our PC in wireless mode, and I will show you guys how you look next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now the keyboard is fully set up to my PC. This is how it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. You can also change the speed of the RGB. As you can see now, it has this spiral. Oh, and you can increase and decrease the brightness. That's super simple. It's FN key and arrow down to decrease until it's off, and FN key arrow up to increase. Then if you want to increase the speed, you do FN keys and right arrow, and then decrease it until it's static, FN key and left arrow. And basically this is how the keyboard looks. I think it looks absolutely great. We have the display right here. We have the volume knob, which works straight away. So as you can see, I'm rotating the knob, and the volume slider on my PC pops up. If you press on it, you will mute it. Press again to unmute. Super handy. We have the screen right here, which we need to configure. This is basically factory settings. It has the wrong date and whatnot, but you will able to configure all of that. You can even display GIFs on it, as I said. And the keyboard is super responsive. Let's press the Windows key now. Thinking wireless mode, which we're in right now, it has about 1000 hertz of pulling rate, which is absolutely amazing. It's a must for gaming. And to connect it again was super simple. All you had to do is switch it to wireless mode, as I said, and then plug it into any available USB Type-A port on your device, and it's basically plug and play from that. And the keyboard sounds absolutely great. I want to get as close as possible to it with the camera so you guys can hear. So let's go ahead and type some stuff. Yeah, pretty much that's it. I think it sounds absolutely amazing. All the YUNZII keyboard I tested, they sound super good. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you also check their website out. They have many more keyboards, gaming accessories, mouse pads, mice, and so on, including switches, keycaps, whatever you want. They also sell some mystery boxes, which they're pretty cool. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.